In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Forms as a Chrome app on Windows 11. This quick setup gives you a cleaner, app-like window for Google Forms, without the extra browser tabs and distractions. It's perfect if you use Forms often and want it just a click away. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser, since this process relies on a Chrome feature. If Chrome isn't already open, launch it from your taskbar, Start menu, or desktop. Next, go to Google Forms. Click into the address bar at the top of Chrome, type forms.google.com, and press Enter. If you aren't already signed in, Chrome may prompt you to log into your Google account. Go ahead and sign in so Forms can load your recent files and let you create new ones. If you land on a different Google page by accident, just re-enter the address to get to the Forms homepage. Now, open the Chrome menu. Look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three-dot icon. Click that to open the full menu. This menu controls things like settings, downloads, and tools, and it's where the install option lives. From the menu, find the area that includes Cast and Save and Share. Click Save and Share to open its options. Depending on your Chrome version, this may appear as a labeled section or as part of the drop-down list. If you don't see it right away, scroll the menu a bit and make sure you're still on the Google Forms page in the current tab, as the install option only appears for the active page. Now install the app. In the Save and Share options, click Install Page as App. You're telling Chrome to treat this specific site, Google Forms, as a standalone app with its own window. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Install to finish. Chrome will create the app and open Google Forms in a dedicated window without the standard browser UI. You'll also get a shortcut added to your apps list, making it easy to launch next time directly like any other app. That's it. You've installed Google Forms as a Chrome app on Windows 11. From now on, open it from your apps list for a focused workspace. If something looks different on your screen, make sure Chrome is up to date and that you started from forms.google.com. Enjoy the cleaner, faster access to Google Forms.